Good morning. Let's have a self-care day. So today is a full-on self-care day. This is a day that I feel like I have been needing for a very long time. Life has just been really busy lately and there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. And I feel like my mental capacity is pretty much like tapped out to where I just really needed a day to not have to rush, like to have a day where I don't have like anything pressing for me to do besides just taking care of myself. I don't have any school stuff for Valerie Day. I don't have any like deadlines for work. I actually stayed up like late last night to knock out editing a video and like submitting it just so I could have this day to myself where there was nothing like pressing for work. And yeah, there's just a lot going on. It's just a lot. And I was like, you know what? Like, Alicia, just set aside a day to take care of you and do the things that make you happy, right? And so I have kind of like a little day planned out for myself. Nothing too crazy, nothing like extravagant, none of that, but just doing a few things that I know are gonna benefit me. So what we have on our agenda for today is first, of course, breakfast. I also had my water. I had my water first thing in the morning as well, so we're feeling good. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this breakfast, and then I am going to move my body some way, somehow. And the reason why I say that is because I am actually extremely sore. So yeah, today is going to be, I'm gonna work out for sure, but it's gonna be real light. I may do like walking on a treadmill for a little bit, then a mat Pilates workout, something that's going to still get my body moving, but it's not high intensity or high impact at all, just because I'm still like super sore. And I'm also very excited, you guys, because I have therapy today, which I have not had honestly in a minute. I cannot wait to release a lot of what I have built up. I think that's also why I feel like I need today, because something tells me after my therapy session today, I'm gonna be a little bit mentally exhausted. So I'm glad I kind of took today off to just have my therapy session and just cater to myself for the rest of the day, instead of trying to like go to therapy and immediately get to work or immediately get to doing other things. Like I can just focus on just me today. It's just a me day. So I really hope this vlog encourages you guys to have your own self-care day, whatever that looks like. I know we all have our own personal preferences on things that we enjoy, things we love doing that make us happy. Like we all have our own thing, right? But I really hope this vlog encourages you guys to just take care of yourself. Just set aside, whether it be a day, a few hours, a weekend, whatever, just to take care of you, because you deserve it. Like we all deserve to have some sort of self-care and just some time to love on us. We're loving on everybody else. I feel like honestly, I have been like pouring into other people lately that it's like, no, I gotta pour into myself. Yeah, I'm happy. So let me go ahead and knock out this breakfast and I will talk to you guys in a little bit.
Pose. Just fine, and look slightly up. Just fine. 2 more. Exhale and inhale. Lift our chest, rolling our shoulders back, mini cobra, and exhale, come back down. 1 more. Good. 5 more. Try to keep your knees stacked directly over you through the side of your waist and pressing down into your right shoulder.
Therapy is done. I just got off the phone with my therapist, and today's therapy session was really good. By the way, if you guys hear background noise, just ignore it. I'm trying to upload a I'm trying to compress a YouTube video on my computer, so I hope you guys can't hear too much like static noise. But anyways, the therapy session was really good. Definitely had a little bit of a crying moment on today's call, which honestly is very routine for me. Every time I have a therapy session, I'm pretty much always gonna cry. But I want to talk to you guys really quick about what we talked about today. I was telling my therapist about how, kind of what I told you guys earlier, about how despite there's a lot going on in my life right now, almost like a lot of like change happening in a lot of different ways, and although they're like really good things, like nothing to complain about, nothing to be sad about, it's still just a lot happening, I feel like, at one time, and it's kind of been weighing on me. And so I told her I've been kind of struggling with like just, I don't know, adjusting to everything that's going on. But I also was telling her that in a way I have been feeling, I don't know, a little lonely. I'm gonna be honest, a little lonely. And it's really weird because I have a lot of people around me, right? Like I have like good friends and stuff like that, you know, great family and things like that. But I was telling her that I feel like the part of my life that's like where I'm feeling a little bit lonelier is in the friendship department, not gonna lie. I feel like I have reached a place in my life where like quality time is like my absolute like top love language. And most of my like really good friends are not here. They don't live in Houston. And so I struggle with that a bit. I struggle with like not really being around my friends. I have a lot of acquaintances, don't get me wrong, I have a lot of acquaintances, but I don't have a lot of friends. Like friends that I truly trust to like talk to about things that I have going on, just share things with, live life with and stuff like that. And I was telling her because of it, like I'm just seeking, or like I have a strong desire to like make new friends. But that's a little bit harder to do in your 30s. It's not impossible, but it's definitely harder to do in your 30s. And so I was telling her like how I just don't know where to start with that. Like granted, I have been a little bit more open this year than I have probably been in a while. And I've met some really good people, and I am getting to know people, which is amazing. But I want to be a lot more intentional with that this year and like actually try to make friends here. So she was just telling me like, Alicia, like I know that you struggle with trusting people, because I do. There's no secret about that. I do not. It's not that I don't trust people, I just don't trust people past a certain extent. Like I have to really feel super comfortable with you and just feel like you are so genuine for me to like fully trust you. So I guess I do trust people, but only to a certain extent. But she was just saying that I have to be more open about it, because like I'm only blocking myself. Like I am only holding myself back from meeting new people, you know, not blocking myself from potentially making great friends and things like that. So my homework is to just start being more open, whether that be like reaching out to people to see if they want to hang out, like heck, even accepting invitations, you know, to go grab lunch with people. Being more open, I feel like, is where I really need to work on. So that's my goal this year, just to make more friends where I live. So yeah, that was how therapy went. It was a good hour. I'm going to hop in a shower really quick, and then I'm going to head to get a massage. Very excited about this. I'm going to be getting a full like deep tissue massage, and I'm just in dire need. I'm in dire need of it. I need it so bad. especially my lower back. Like, I carry a lot of my stress in my lower back, so I cannot wait to get like massage from head to toe. Literally. All right, y'all, I am showered and ready to go. This is my OOTD for today. I literally just threw a sweatsuit on. I feel like today's self-care calls for me to be as comfortable as possible. So yeah, let's throw on this sweatsuit. It's actually still cold outside in Houston. At least today it is. So we're comfortable, we're warm, cozy. Now we're about to head off to Milk and Honey, which is one of my favorite places to get a massage or even a facial here in Houston. If you have not heard of it, just check it out.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel bad.
I mentioned that I was gonna do a chicken salad for dinner, and I wanted to show you guys like my quick and easy chicken salad that has had me in a chokehold for like weeks now. It is so good and so simple. I have my warm shredded chicken. Going to add some spring mix, some salad spring mix, and I just add a couple of cucumbers. I just cut these up. So I'm gonna add a few cucumbers to our salad, as you guys see here. Last but not least, we're gonna add of course, a salad dressing. This is the Primal Kitchen cilantro lime salad dressing. It is so good. I love this one, and I also love their Green Goddess salad dressing. They're both so bomb. So I'm gonna just add a little bit to my salad. And that is literally it, y'all. It may look simple to some, but I promise you it is so good. Can y'all see that? I hope it's focused. But it really is so good, and it's so easy. Like, this meal saves me on plenty of days whenever I just don't know what to eat and I want something quick. This is like a good go-to. I'm about to go ahead and eat this. I also went ahead and turned my oven on because I'm craving cookies. I'm craving cookies, so I'm gonna make myself like 1 or 2 chocolate chip cookies and then eat it with some Greek yogurt. Of course, more protein because you guys know me. So that'll be my dessert, and then gonna call it a night.